Amazon is a treasure trove of cool and cutting-edge devices. The Metmo Grip is a modern piece of equipment. These gloves are 4 times stronger than leather. 9 triangular panels offer limitless possibility. In the age of technology, gadgets have become an integral part of our lives. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the convenience that innovative gadgets offer, Amazon is a treasure trove of cool and cutting-edge devices. In this video, we're going to explore 12 of the coolest gadgets on Amazon that you can buy right now. 1. Metmo Grip. The Metmo Grip is not your average multi-tool. It's a unique combination of functionality and aesthetics. This versatile tool can serve as both an adjustable wrench and a mesmerizing fidget toy. From gripping and prying to tackling important tasks, the Metmo Grip is a modern piece of equipment that harks back to an antique design. And it's all yours for just $29. 2. Clean and handy money clip. A wallet with a twist. For those looking for a sleek and compact way to keep essentials organized, the clean and handy money clip is the answer. This tiny wallet can hold up to 5 credit cards and cash securely. What sets it apart is the integrated fine-edge blade for added convenience. Crafted with sturdy steel and a titanium coating, this wallet is ready for anything, and it's available for $31. 3. DIY Powerhouse Tool. If you're a DIY enthusiast, you'll appreciate the DIY Powerhouse Tool. With a super long battery life of up to 50 minutes and 5-speed adjustments, it can tackle various materials and tasks effortlessly. From delicate carving to robust grinding, this lightweight and ergonomic tool is a true multitasker. Equipped with 35 high-performance accessories, it's yours for $99. 4. Blue light blocking lamp. Protect your eyes. In a world dominated by screens, eye strain is a common issue. The blue light blocking lamp offers a solution with its adjustable color settings. Whether you need bright and vibrant ambience or a cozy atmosphere, this lamp has got you covered. With up to 20 hours of continuous working time and a touch panel display, it's a steal at $129. 5. Cut-resistant gloves. Safety first. When it comes to safety in the kitchen or beyond, the high-performance cut-resistant gloves are your best bet. These gloves are 4 times stronger than leather, ensuring your hands are protected during any task. They're lightweight, comfortable, and only cost $12. 6. Customizable triangular panels. Want to brighten up any space with a touch of creativity? These 9 triangular panels offer limitless possibilities. You can shape them in any configuration to suit your creative vision. Plus, they're expandable, so you can add more as desired. With high-quality LEDs and magnetic attachment, these panels are a steal at $49. 7. Compact outdoor stove. Cook anywhere. Heading outdoors? This compact marble-sized stove is your perfect companion. It sets up in under a minute and uses natural resources as fuel. Equipped with double fans and a built-in generator, it's not just for cooking. It can also charge your devices. With waterproof features and 3-speed modes, it's available for $119. 8. A lit companion bot. Your personal entertainment. Looking for a source of amusement or a desktop companion? The A-Lit Companion Bot is here to fulfill your desires. It responds to touch and displays thousands of reactions based on emotional states, whether it's normal, happy, angry, or sad. This bot's OLED display panel expresses it all. Put several of them together, and you've got a lively party for $139. 9. Ring Floodlight Cam. Protect your home. Safety and security are paramount. The Ring Floodlight Cam offers 3D motion detection, ultra-bright LED floodlights, and two-way talk with a 110 decibel siren to scare off intruders. With 1080p HDR video and color night vision, you can monitor your surroundings effectively for $149. 10. DAC Amp enhance your sound. Don't let poor sound quality ruin your music experience. This small DAC amp is compatible with all devices, enhancing the original sound signal and giving you control over the volume. It's portable and available for $249. 11. Compact voice recorder capture every sound. For recording needs, this compact voice recorder is your ultimate companion. It offers surround recording, ample storage, and password protection for confidential recordings. It supports multiple recording formats and is available for $29. 12. Inflatable chair comfort on the go. Last but not least, the Inflatable Chair by Boat is the ideal seating option for adventures. It's compact, comfortable, and can support up to 350 pounds. Whether you're at the beach, a tailgate party, or a camping trip, you can lounge in style for $349. In conclusion, these 12 gadgets on Amazon cater to various needs and preferences, from DIY enthusiasts to tech-savvy individuals and those who prioritize safety and entertainment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content.